Stand by! Fire!
Soldiers from the 2nd Battalion, 15th Field Artillery Regiment test fire the M777 Howitzer following 10 days of familiarization training. The battalion is the first active duty unit to fire the weapon on Fort Drum, produced by SBC Candace Foster. Includes sound bites from Sergeant Cody Casey, Howitzer Section Chief, 3rd Section, 1st Platoon, 2nd Battalion, 15th Field Artillery Regiment, and Lieutenant Colonel. Christopher Wendland, Battalion Commander, 2nd Battalion, 15th Field Artillery Regiment. The M777 lightweight 155mm howitzer provides timely, accurate, and continuous firepower in support of Marine and Army infantry forces and replaces the M198 towed howitzer. The Army and Marine Corps began fielding the M777, a much smaller, lighter, 9,000 pounds lighter, and more maneuverable towed cannon weapon than its predecessor, resulting in improved transportability and mobility without impacting range or accuracy. 7-ton trucks are used to move the M777, enabling artillery units to move faster between positions. With a length of 35 feet but a weight of 9,300 pounds, the M777 is 41% lighter than the M198. It is replacing in U.S. Army and Marine service, largely thanks to the higher amount of titanium and aluminum alloy it uses. That allows it to be transported by C-130 aircraft, MV-22B Osprey rotorcraft or helicopters, as well as towed by FMTV and MTVR tractors. So many transport options, combined with its being easier to conceal in fixed positions, give it an advantage over its stablemate. The M109, a 6-Paladin self-propelled 155mm howitzer in combat environments where friendly forces lack air superiority. Normally operated by 8 gunners, the M777 can be handled by as few as 5, with its rate of fire varying from a sustained 2 to as fast as 7 155mm rounds per minute. Although the M777 originally used a simple optical sighting system, the M777A1 incorporates a digital fire control system that assures outstanding accuracy at ranges as great at 19 miles for its shells and as far as 25 miles for special ammunition developed for the latest upgrade on the gun, the M777, to the XM1113 rocket-assisted extreme range round and the M982 Excalibur Global Positioning System assisted round. Before Anyone Else Systems has signed an undefinitized contract action agreement with the U.S. Army for M777 Joint Lightweight Howitzer Major Titanium Structures. The UCA is currently limited to $50 million. This agreement allows Before Anyone Else Systems to start deliveries of M777 components, while the details of the contract and its total value are being finalized. The first major structures under this UCA are reportedly scheduled for delivery in 2025. According to Before Anyone Else Systems, this agreement creates optimum conditions for a restart of M777 production in the United Kingdom. It would also present an opportunity for new and existing users to join a new M777 production initiative, taking advantage of an active production line and economies of scale. The US, Canada, and Australia have donated M777 to Ukraine. At least 8 countries currently employ the M777. Before Anyone Else Systems asserts it has seen an increase in interest from across Europe, Asia, and the Americas in the M777 howitzer system.
Stand by! Fire! It's open! What's that by? Fire!
What do you want?
Lot Alpha,
Check.
Fuse PD.
Check.
Charge 6.
Safe.
Deflection 3204.
Free.
Charge 7 to the rear!